Hello friends, welcome to one more new session. In today's session, we'll be discussing about event binding in Angular, how it really works. So, when we are interacting in between our HTML template and the class in Angular, we might have required some buttons need to be clicked or the keyboard inputs and etc. So at that time the target events are fired or triggered. So how it really works in Angular? Let's take one example. Let's say here I have one button. Correct. So my name is click me. Here. So here, let's say when user will be clicking on this button, I want to display some value. So how the events are binded in this template? Inside double parenthesis, we need to write click, and after that we have to declare the handler. Let's say my function. So let's go to inside our class. Let's say here I am declaring one more new property like bind data. Data type I am taking any, and the initial value is blank. So here that particular handler will need to be defined, my function. I am putting one log message here. Correct. So let's go to the page. I am opening my console bar. So once user will click on this button, you can see we are able to show the log message. So here the simple formula is inside double parenthesis you have to write the event name and you have to declare the handler. Let's say I need to show some value on this web page. That's a data bind. Once user click on the button, this dot bind data. So let's click on the button. You can see here I can display my required value over here. So what is happening once user is clicking on this particular event? We are passing, let's say if we want to see all the details regarding that particular event, click event, you can pass here as like this event as argument, and let's say I can display over here. Let's save it and run it. If I am clicking on this button, you can see here all the details regarding that particular click event. We can see over here what is the path, the height, and others, type, is horizontal height, vertical height, and everything, pointer type. Let me to bind some value event. You can see this is the click event. Dynamically we can display which type of event this is. So in this way, in Angular, events are binded on the template and communicate with the class. I hope you like this video. I will share also the Angular documents. You can go through it. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.